Okay, this is our first solid food other than rice. What do you think, Liam? Are you excited? Are you excited, bud? Jude, hey, bud, are you ready? You ready for this? What do we have on the menu today? Let's see. That looks like carrots. Okay, let's see what we think about this, all right? Here we go. Here we go. Open up, buddy. What's that? You like it? We're gonna try your brother. Ready, Liam? Ready? Say ah. Say ah. How's that taste, bud? I think your brother wants some more over there. Is that good? Here. We got some more for you. We got some more for you. Open up. Say ah. Say ah. Mmm. Mushed carrots. It's so yummy. Is it good? Yummy. Oh no. That's the wrong direction, Liam. Is that good? And that's your hand, buddy.